our 4,500 CFM supply fans for restaurant hoods. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a depth of 31.5 inches and a length of also 31.5 inches. Overall height, we have 32 inches. On this side of the supply fan, where the fresh air will be accumulated, measurements for this one will include 20.5 inches in length by 22.5 inches in depth. Air filter that can be removed with the air filter measuring 20.25 inches in length by 30.25 inches in depth. Thickness or height of frame will be 1/2 inch. Air filter can be inserted back into the vent. Coming to the bottom of the supply fan will be the motor along with the gears, the belt-driven components to operate and have the supply fan running. Coming to the side will be the technical specifications along with the voltage and information regarding hertz and the single phase. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.